In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Messenger account on other devices. So let's get straight into it, and the first thing you need to do is head over to the Messenger application, click on the navigation in the top left hand side, click on the cog icon to bring up the settings menu, and then scroll right down to the bottom here and select Meta Accounts Center. Underneath Account Settings, select Password and Security. Underneath Security Checks, click on where you're logged in, click on the profile that you want to manage. I'll be selecting this top profile, and as you can see, it's going to list all of the places that we're currently logged into on this account. So for me, I'm logged into my iPhone at the top here, and I'm also logged into my Windows computer. So if you want to sign out of a device, all you need to do is select the device that you want to log out on. I'm going to be selecting my Windows computer. Click the checkbox next to the device that we want to sign out from and press log out. You'll get this confirmation message pop up, so simply press log out again, and you've now successfully logged out of your account on another device. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.